Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video, we are discussing about trigonometry. I think this is the fifth video series. It is going on. Previous jeemains and eapcet questions also in this video we will discuss. Let us have a discussion. The first question here: interior angle of the regular dodecagon is interior angle. What is the formula for interior angle? Interior angle equal to n minus 2 times of 180 divided by n. Since n is equal to 12, because what is the reason? Dodecagon, regular dodecagon. So that is the reason n is equal to sides, 12 sides are there. So substitute in this. 12 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by 12. So 10 into 180 degrees divided by 12. So 2 5s, 2 6. So 6 ones, 6 30s. So 150 degrees, but options are not in the degrees, it is in radians. So which is equal to 150 into 1 degree equal to pi by 180. So 35 is 36. So which is equal to 5 pi by 6 radians. 5 pi by 6 radians. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. Here, the angle subtended at the center of a circle, the rough figure of circle. This is the angle subtended by a circle of radius. This is the radius. This is the angle, dear students. Center. An arc of length 3 pi. This is 3 pi meters is equal to. So here, theta we are going to calculate. So radius is equal to 5 meters. A length of arc. L is equal to 35 meters. We have the formula. L is equal to r theta, but we want the formula for theta. Theta is equal to L by r. So therefore, theta equal to L means what? Length of the arc. 3 pi divided by, this is the meters. Radius also 5 meters. So it will be cancelled. Therefore, theta angle equal to 3 pi by 5. Therefore, the required angle 3 pi by 5 is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to other set of questions. Thank you for joining us, the Kilanda Bigna Creations. Yeah, we'll move to another question. In trigonometry, different levels, eapcet, jeemains, bitsat, these type of questions. Maximum I'll try my best. All the concepts I'm going to cover. Dear students, those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Yeah, we are going to have this and we will continue with other questions. The next question is sine square 17.5 degrees plus sine square 72.5 degrees is equal to. So options are given. Cos square 90, tan square 45, cos square 30, sin square 45. The next question. The value of the expression cos 1 degrees into cos 2 degrees into cos 3 degrees and so on, cos 179 degrees is equals to. First option 0, second option 1, third option 1 by root 2, fourth option minus 1. See how it will be. It's very easy questions in my view, dear students. Here, one important information you need to know. Sine square 17.5 means 17 and a half. Alright, so you can write it like this, 17.5 degrees plus sine square 72.5 degrees. It is looking like A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. 17.5 plus 72.5, is it sum of these two is equal to 90 or not? Sum of these two. Whenever sum of these two equal to 90 degrees, then sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1. You have to know the information. This is the shortcut formula, dear students. So, here 17.5 plus 72.5 is equal to 90. Are you all with me, dear students? 89 plus 1, so 90. So this answer is 1. But indirectly it is given. 1 can be written as tan square 45 here according to that. Why? Because cos 90 is 0. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So it is equal to 1. It is there indirectly this one. This is the shortcut formula you need to remember. Now come to this question. Cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree and so on. In middle it comes cos 90 degrees also, no? And so on, cos 179 degrees. Cos 90 value is what? 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. So cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree and so on, 0 and so on, cos 179 degree. So ultimately 0 into anything is 0. You have the answer is 0. Okay, dear students. Those who are watching first time, please like and share. Sine square 5 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 15 degrees plus and so on. Sine square 90 degrees is equals to 8 and half, 9 and half, 9, 4 and half. The next question. The value of cos square pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus cos square 5 pi by 16 plus cos square 7 pi by 16 is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0. So these are the questions. Yeah, come to the question. Here sine square 5 degrees. The difference is how much? Difference is here 5 degrees. See how we are going to write is sine square 5 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 15 degrees plus and so on, sine square 45 degrees plus and so on. From 92 before 3 also we can write it plus sine square 75 degrees, sine square 80 degrees plus sine square 85 degrees plus sine square 90 degrees. I hope you understand this, students. Sine square 90, this value is 1. So you can put it here 1. Okay. After that, you have the combinations. Here, in the previous Once again I am writing, if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1 only, no? Just now I said in the previous question. Here also we are going to, so not for this, these two, next these two, next these two. Like this, how many pairs are there till sin square 40 and sin square 50? Like this, 8 pairs are there, dear students. Like this, 8 pairs are there, plus 1 here, plus sin square 40. This one is, sin square 40 is 1 by root 2 whole square only, no? So which is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 by 2. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. That can be written as in terms of 9 into 1 by 2, mixed fraction. It is there in the second option, dear students. This is the way you can. Sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1. So 5 degrees, here 85 degrees. Total is 90 only, no? 10 and 80, 15 and 75. Like this 20 and 70. Like this 8 pairs will come. And 1 is what? Sin square 90 degrees is 1. Next sin square 45, 1 by root 2 whole square. 9 plus 1 by 2, it is 9 1 by 2. Mixed fraction. You have understand? Okay, we'll move to this question. Cos square pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16. This 5 pi by 16, we are writing cos square of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 16. See, are you getting 5 pi by 16 or not? Just roughly I am checking. Pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. LCM is 16 only, no? 2 8s. 8 pi minus 3 pi. Is it equal to 5 pi by 16 or not? So 5 pi by 16 we are writing as pi by 2 minus 3. Similarly, cos square of pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Even pi by 2 minus pi by 16 also, dear students. LCM 16, 7, 8 pi minus pi. So 7 pi by 16. So in place of 7 pi by 16, we have to replace with pi by 2 minus pi by 16. So cos square pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta. So sin square 3 pi by 16 plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta. So sin square pi by 16. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Cos square 3 pi by 16 plus sin square 3 pi by 16. So we write it as like this. Cos square pi by 16 plus sin square pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus sin square 3 pi by 16. So this value equal to 1, this value equal to 1, total is 2. So 2 is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We will move to another set of questions. Whatever I am keeping in the boxes which are shortcuts, you can use, you can utilize while solving the problems in trigonometry. move to a set of questions. 3 times of sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 times of sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 times of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, sin power 6x, cos power also 6x is equal to so answer 12, 13, 14 and 15. So because a little bit of simplification here, we need to go with simplification. So first bracket by bracket values we will simplify. Sin x minus cos x whole power 4 can be written as sin x minus cos x whole square. So a minus b whole square formula. So it is equal to sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. So sin square x plus cos square x value is 1. 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 4 sin square x into cos square x minus 4 sin x cos x. So this is sin x minus cos x whole power 4. We have completed. Next, sin x plus cos x whole square. So a plus b whole square expansion, sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, which is equal to sin square x plus cos square x value is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. You can leave it like this. Why? Because we also left there 4 sin x cos x itself. We are keeping it like this. Next come to sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to first this can be done as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube only, no? So a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, dear students? We can. So, sin square x plus cos square x whole cube, a plus b whole cube completed, minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. So this is equal to 1 cube is 1 minus 3. This value is also 1 only, no? So 3 sin square x cos square x. Now come to the question. Therefore, 3 times of sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 times of sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 times of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to 3 times of, keep the bracket, and sin x minus cos x whole power 4 value. This we are going to replace 1 plus 4 sin square x into cos square x minus 4 sin x cos x plus sin x plus cos x whole square, this value 1 plus 2 sin x, 2 sin x cos x, plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So which is equal to 3 into 1 3 plus 12 sin square x cos square x minus 12 sin x cos x plus 6 plus 12 sin x cos x plus 4 minus 12 sin square x cos square x. Are you able to understand it, students? See here, plus 12 sin square x cos square x minus 12 sin square x cos square x minus 12 sin x cos x plus 12 sin x cos x. The rest of the things is 3 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 13. So we have the answer 13 in the second option. Dear students, see that this much procedure, it will help for the description, descriptive of 10th class, 12th class students. This is the way steps are required. But competitively, how we are going to get this answer easily? But this is the blind notation. Sometimes it works out. If we take in the given question x equal to 0 degrees, x equal to 0 degrees. So 3 into sine 0 is 0, minus cos 0 is 1. So 3 into minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. So 3. 0 plus 1 whole square is 1. 1 plus 6. 1 into 6, 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. This value is 0, this value 1. 1 into 4 is 4. So 9 plus 4, 13. Your answer is 13. So just x equal to 0, if you substitute, you will get this answer. Even pi by 2 also it will work out. When sine comes, sine and cos is there. Theta equal to 90 degrees also, it will work out, dear students. Okay, we'll move to another question. Okay, dear students, I'll move to another question. The value of 1 plus cos pi by 6, 1 plus cos pi by 3, 1 plus cos 2 pi by 3 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 6 is, so options here, 3 by 16, 3 by 8, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Here first two angles, here pi by 6, here pi by 3, remaining 2 pi by 3, 7 pi by 6. We will bring into these forms. See how it is 1 plus cos pi by 6 as it is we are writing into 1 plus cos pi by 3 as it is we are writing, 1 plus here cos 2 pi by 3 we are writing as pi minus pi by 3. Are you all with me, dear students? Next, 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 6. Sorry, pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi by 6, no? Here 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. Here plus. You have to remember cos of pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos of pi minus theta is also equal to minus cos theta. So therefore 1 plus cos pi by 6 first term and second term as it is we are writing. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta, no? So 1 minus cos pi by 3 into cos of pi plus pi by 6 is 1 minus cos pi by 6. Now you observe that among these 4 terms, first and last is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos pi by 6 into 1 minus cos pi by 6. And second and third, 1 plus cos pi by 3 into 1 minus cos pi by 3. For these two bracket values, we are going to apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So it will becomes 1 square minus cos square pi by 6 into 1 square minus cos square pi by 3, which is equal to 1 square means 1. So 1 minus cos square pi by 6. 1 minus cos square pi by 3. Again we are writing as 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So it is equal to sin square pi by 6 into sin square pi by 3. So sin pi by 3 pi by 6 whole square into sin pi by 3 whole square, which is equal to sin pi by 6, it means sin 30, 1 by 2 whole square, sin pi by 3, sin 60, root 3 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 16 is our required answer. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand every step. I wrote what formula we applied here. Clear cut information is provided. I'm going to run this and we will continue with the other problems. If sin A equal to sin B and cos A equal to cos B. Then first option, sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. Second option, sin of A plus B by 2 equal to 0. Third option, cos of A minus B by 2 is equal to 0. Fourth option, cos of A plus B is equal to 0. The next question, the value of cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees is equal to, so first option, root 5 minus 1 by 4. Second option, root 5 plus 1 by 8. Third option, root 3 plus 1 by 4. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And another question, and the last question in this session. The value of sin 75 degrees is equal to, first option, 2 minus root 3 by 2. Second option, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Third option, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus. Fourth option, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So these are the questions from first, how to proceed this type of problems. First, sin A equal to sin B. That implies sin A minus sin B equal to 0. Sin C minus sin D, it is in this form. That implies 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 equal to 0. Here we applied sin C minus sin D formula. Okay. Now come to second one. Cos A equal to cos B. That implies cos A minus cos B equal to 0. It is in the form of cos C minus cos D. You can apply cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 equal to 0. Dear students, observe carefully in these two box values, which is the common thing in these two. The common thing is sin of A minus B by 2, sin of A minus B by 2, including constant 2. Constant bring outside, no problem. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we conclude that from 1 and 2, sin of A minus B by 2 is equal to 0. This is our answer. So it is there in the first option, the common thing, whatever we have that. Now come to question number, next question here. We don't mention the question number. Cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. It is in the form of cos square A minus sin square B. That is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Are you able to understand, all of you dear students? This is the formula for cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So where A is equal to 48 and B is equal to 12 degrees, which is equal to cos of 48 degrees plus 12 degrees, cos of 48 degrees minus 12 degrees, which is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 36 degrees. cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 8. It is there in the second option, dear students. Okay. Now we'll move to question number, last question in this session. Sine 75 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Is it in the form of sine of a plus b or not? So sine of a plus b formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So by using this formula, sine 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees into sine 30 degrees. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So denominator 2 root 2 is taking LCM. 2 root 2. Root 3, 1 is root 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 is our final answer for sine 75 degrees. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move to other video in the next session. I hope everyone understand with some shortcut formula, some different questions in trigonometry. We'll continue with the previous jeemains and answer questions in the next video. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind, exam side mathematics by 1. Thank you all. Those who are watching, please first time subscribe and like to this video. If you are willing to share, you can share to your friends also. Thank you all. Yeah, I didn't get any comments right now. Ashrita, Kartikeyan, yes. I got Kartikeya. What comments you made? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, any requirements about the concepts, please write in the comment box. I will help you. I will wait for 1 more minute if you want to give any message. Otherwise, it will be in private. I cannot able to understand what you are writing. Still, anyone is required, you can. Yeah, Kartikeyan, good morning, sir. Very good morning, Varshit. No, okay. Yeah, any requirement regarding any topic, any concept, please inform me in the text message. I will respond in my free time. Thank you all. Varshit, Kartikeya, Kartik, and Abhigna Creations, Asrita Kel. Yeah, Yashwant Kumar also. Yeah. Yashwant Koduru. Yeah, whatever you want the topic, please mention in the chat box. I will respond. Then only I can understand what students are required. Yeah, Yashwant Koduru, good morning for joining this session. Thank you all. I'm going to end the session. Thank you for your support. Those who are watching first time, please like and subscribe. Why? Because it reaches to more students. That is the reason I am requesting you people. Thank you all.